Hello and welcome back, friends. Today we have ornamental pineapple, also called as Ananas commosus. These plants are originally from South America, principally from Brazil. I found this plant at Stop and Shop supermarket for $12, which I would say for growing up to this stage, I would say $12 is pretty good price. Nowadays, because of this ornamental value of this plant, you can find this plant in most of the countries in the world. In US, Zone 9 and Zone 11 are best for the growth of these plants, and in other parts you can generally find them in summer season where everybody can take good care of these plants. Regarding the growth, they are summer blooming plant and they require 4 to 6 hours of sunlight to grow foliage and eventually fruits and flowers. A plant in its lifetime produces only one fruit and give birth to a number of young plants which later can be transplanted. So you can see the thorns over here. These are basically the defense mechanism for this plant from animals. And you can see the beautifully growing pineapple plant in this pot. And here you can see it looks so beautiful. It is not ripe yet, but it requires some time ripen up. Today we'll be transplanting this pineapple. I've taken a 12-inch pot. The soil is 50% of garden soil and the compost, and there are holes and underneath of that. Just take the pineapple plant and squeeze it from the side so that the pot will be separated from the plant. And here you go. You can see the beautiful network of the roots over here, and they just need more space to grow vigorously and grow into a tall and beautiful plant. So what I will do, just put this over soil composition and just put soil from all around and gently press the soil so that the plant will not move around and it will be fixed inside my 12-inch pot. Water it thoroughly so that the plant will rest in the new composition very firmly and nicely. And here the leaves are just dead. I'm just cutting off the dead leaves. Sometimes these dead leaves occur because of overwatering or lack of nutrition. Just cutting them off, and from now onward I'll take good care of this plant. You need to give them good amount of nutrition so that they can grow well in coming days. So here I have placed this plant at my stairs. It is getting plenty of amount of sunlight after 1 week, and the plants are really growing very well over here, and I can really feel the plant that it is really doing good. After a week also, you can see there are some grasses. I will take them off, but still you can see the plant in this 12-inch pot. It's really doing good, and I can see the fruit is it has started turning in red and yellowish color. And the top of the pineapple is also growing very nice. You can also get new plant from the top of the pineapple. I have a video, you can check below in the description. So in this way you can take care of your plant. Generally they are very sensitive to the frost. You need to take care during the frost time. You can keep that plant indoor, and so in this way you can take care of your ornamental pineapple plant. If you have any more queries, please comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer. And if you at all like my video and if you think it is informative, please do share it, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you and see you again.